What's up, everybody? Welcome to Toneway Academy, where I teach you guys how to trade in the Forex market. Forex meaning foreign exchange. Okay, so moving forward, we're going to be skilled traders, and this is how we're going to do it. So you're going to use MetaTrader 4. It's a free app. You're going to get you a demo account, and it's something called a demo account, which is the demonstration account, and then you got something called a live account. Now, a live account is when it's really your real money. That account is live. You feel me? That's what that's called, a live account or a demo account, okay? Now, what I call it is the circle of coins, okay? Because we all trying to get our money, you feel me? Everybody want their coin, period. It's a circle about this shit. This shit have to go through a bunch of little places, okay? First, where it have to go? You have to have it on Cash App. So, boom, everybody got a Cash App. Go ahead. Let's just say, for instance, we add $100 to our Cash App, right? Boom, we just took it from our account, we put it on our Cash App. Now our balance on Cash App is 100, okay? Now we take it from Cash App and we add it to our Hugo's Way. Now, real quick, Hugo's Way is kind of like our bank, okay? But they call brokers. They call brokers, but we gonna call them bankers, okay? So we bank with Hugo's Way. Hugo is the person who makes sure that we give them our money to trade with, and they give us our money back once we done bubbled our shit up and we need to get our money back. That's who pay us out. Hugo's Way, okay? That's our banker / broker, okay? This is your broker. So you take your $100 from Cash App, right? And you put it into your Bitcoin account. So everybody Cash App has something called Bitcoin. So if you go to your Cash App, up under there you probably seen Bitcoin a couple times, like, what the heck is this? Bitcoin is, we'll touch on a different topic about what Bitcoin is. I'm kind of running out of time and battery. So Bitcoin is just a cryptocurrency, and you basically need to change your actual US dollar and you need to put it into Bitcoin, which would become a cryptocurrency, okay? Now once you got it on Bitcoin, you're going to transfer it from your Bitcoin and you're going to put it into your Hugo's Way account. Now once your money is into your account on Hugo's Way, you're going to take it from your bank, right? And you're going to put it onto your MetaTrader 4. That might sound like a lot. And that's when I said that's literally the only shaky part about this whole thing. Is basically transferring your money in and transferring it out, because it's 4 transfers, mind you. Well, kind of like 5, but really like 4. So say you don't really fuck with Cash App like that, and you bank with your real bank. So you got to take it from your real bank, put it on your Cash App. Now inside of Cash App, Bitcoin is in Cash App, so you ain't really got to go nowhere else besides that. But you take it from your bank, put it on your Cash App, from your Cash App to your Bitcoin. From your Bitcoin, you send it over to your other bank. It's kind of like a bank transfer. You send it to your bank, which is Hugo's Way, and then Hugo's Way administer the money and put it onto your MetaTrader 4 account. Now, once your MetaTrader 4, your live account really got money, then that's when we start trading and stuff like that. But for the time being, I'm going to explain to you all the whole full circle, okay? So let's go over it one more time, okay? So boom, we go from Cash App. We got $100 on Cash App. We take that same 100 and we put it on our Bitcoin. We take it from Bitcoin, we send it over to our bank, Hugo's Way, okay? Hugo's Way be like, okay, I'm about to put that bread on MetaTrader for you so you can start trading. Then Hugo send it over to MetaTrader. Now on our MetaTrader app, so mind you, we just took it from Cash App and put it on our MetaTrader app. They not like intertwined yet. They need to start doing that. They need to figure out a way that you can just Cash App it straight to your MetaTrader. But until then, we got to do it the long way, okay? So once it get onto your MetaTrader, then we start trading. We trading, we bubbling. And we just took our profit out, and now we just won an extra $150 off this 2 cents. And we be like, fuck that, I'm done, I'm out. I don't want to trade no more for the rest of the day. I done made my 150, I'm good, you feel me? We hop out the trade, right? And we be like, man, you know what, forget that. I'm about to just hop out this trade. I'm about to send my money back up to my Cash App so I can really spend it. Obviously, if it's stuck on your MetaTrader, you can't go to a store like, oh, I got money on my MetaTrader, can I swipe this? No, you got to send it back to Cash App. So this is where the rest of the circle comes back in. So all the money that you just made off of this MetaTrader, right? Let's just say we made $1,000 on MetaTrader real quick. We're like, damn, let's hurry to send this 1,000 out. We ready to go boil out. You feel me? It's Friday. The market about to close at 5 p.m. Let's get ready to slide. You feel me? About to go out for the night, have a little couple drinks. Let's get our money out of our MetaTrader 4 account. We take it from MetaTrader 4 and we send it back to our bank, Hugo, right? So our nigga Hugo gonna be like, bruh, what you trying to send it back to your bank, to your Cash App? I got you. Boom. You take it from your bank, your Hugo, and you send it back to your Cash App. Now your money right back where it started at. But only difference is it got an extra 1,000. So you only put 100 on there, but that 1,000 that you bubbled up on MT4 4, you sent it to your dude Hugo, back to Hugo, to your bank, and your bank sent it back to your Cash App. Mad simple, bruh. That's the circle of coins, okay? Because your money do go around a little circle. It don't lose much value at all. But I am going to be honest with y'all. Sometimes Bitcoin be down, right? Sometimes Bitcoin be in a sale. And you might be like, damn, I want to hop into a trade, but I got to put it onto Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin going to charge you like $2.97 just to use they little service. Just to use their Bitcoin. You be like, all right, cool, I'm paying my little $2 and something. And so you're going to be stuck with a balance of like $97. Mind you, that's that $100 we was talking about. So by the time it hit Bitcoin, it's only like $97. But that's okay. Because you're going to make so much more when it hit MetaTrader that who tripping on $2? You feel me? So it's like this. When you send it from your Cash App, you send it to Bitcoin, it's probably $97 now. Now you take your 97 and send it to Hugo. Hugo take that same 97, send it to MetaTrader. You take that $97, you bubble that shit up and you turn that shit to a band. Then you take that band and you send it back to Hugo like, hey, take that back, put that back in my account. Hugo send it back to your Cash App. You might want to be like, fuck that, I don't want money. I don't want $1,000 on my Cash App. I want to send that shit back out to my bank. Then that's when you cash out. Everybody know how to cash out on Cash App. You cash out, you send that shit back to your bank, or you spend it off your Cash App card, or however you want to do it. You feel me? You swipe, that's what you do. But that's pretty much how the circle of coins work. Cool.